I like the system. I don't like to follow a system when I don't know the rule of the game fully. And right now, I don't know. It's similar. The example that I given you. It's not only that they offered, instead of Barbie, they offered Oppenheimer. When they entered inside the hall, they said, "I'll show you only 1/4 of the movie. 1/4 of the movie will still be released. It is under the production. I'll show you only 1/4. 1/4. I am telling you the structure. The storyline is like this. It sounds good, but I have not yet, they shoot that movie. So I'm showing you only 1/4. Episode will come. And that's where the problem lies. It means you are actually fooling people, I'm saying. You are actually fooling the public, fooling the parent, that you have a system. Now, if I was a parent of a student who is going to college, I will ask the college management, tell me what you are going to teach my kids in 3rd semester. Show me what you are going to teach. The college will have no answer, because NIHU has no answer. We have not even discussed. The syllabus has to be decided at the BOS, Board of Studies of respective department. It has come to the school board. Then it will go to academic council, then it will be discussed, approved, notified, and then only it will come to college again. So what I'm saying is, having the kirke come along. Namada fikirke pin bakalabet guarantee I give you. I mean, on this program, I can tell you with the guarantee that this system will fail if you are in hurry. And that's why I'm hell-bent against this hasty implementation, no matter who is saying what. As a teacher, I will never put my student or my kid to study in this kind of course when I don't know what is going to be taught in 3rd semester, 4th semester, 5th semester, 6th semester. Forget about 7th and 8th, where you will have the 4 years course as such. You are not even basic. I'm saying the 3 years that we are going to do, you don't even have an outlay of what you are going to teach. What will be the content? What is that skill development, vocational training? What kind of training? Whether you will teach me small carpentry work, or I will be taught enough skill that when I have a degree with skill, I'm here, not here. Because if I have to become a mistri, I don't need to study. I straight away go and learn mistri in some welding shop, some furniture shop. That's good enough, right? But if I'm earning a degree with skill, means that I am little above the average, because I am now a graduate with skill development, with vocational training, with value-added course, with the ability enhancement courses.
Subscribe ke niga channel, kenang mapinyo iya ka video ba pura jong ka niga jing kren ka bangila ay kerting ka rinsan ya thir ka bangin peniya ka channel ka jong ni ka Forefront Media.